Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to take a look at how to add a theme to your Simplebooklet. Themes are the easiest way to give your booklet a clean, professional, and consistent look, controlling everything from layout and button styles to backgrounds and page sounds. We're going to get started here today on the Simplebooklet dashboard, and we're going to select the booklet that we want to update. Once we've found it, we're going to go ahead and click on the Design tab. From here, we're going to make our way over to the toolbar on the left-hand side and click on the Presentation button. This section includes your themes and other presentation settings. In the Themes section, we're going to go ahead and click on the pencil icon to edit it. And so this brings us to our theme library. Here you'll find a variety of pre-built themes, each offering a unique style and layout to match your booklet's purpose. So we're just going to scroll through the available themes. So you can see we have quite a few to choose from here. And then you can just click and it will automatically update your booklet. So you can take a look at how it looks. But yeah, each theme automatically adjusts your layout, navbar buttons, background, and overall presentation style. So once we've found one we like, I think for this one I'm going to go with the char and bone. Yeah, perfect. And so now to see our theme in action, we can go ahead and click on the preview button in the top right corner here. So we can see how our theme will look to our readers on desktop. You can also do the mobile view up here to see how it will look. Cool. And then yeah, I would honestly just play around with them until you find one that is the perfect fit for your booklet. You can switch themes anytime without losing your content. And so recently we added another way to change your theme, and that is through the preview mode. So you can do this method from your dashboard. You can just go ahead and click on the cover of your booklet to open preview mode. And then in the top right corner over here, we have the theme icon. You can just click on it. And then you can instantly pick a theme from here and it will automatically update in the presentation mode, or preview mode, I mean, just like that. So let's say we'll go with the website dark option here. As you can see, it will automatically update and it saves just like that. And yeah, this lets you test and update your design in real time without leaving the preview mode. And yeah, once you're happy with your selection, your changes will be saved automatically. Just go ahead and exit out. And your new theme will be applied across your entire Simplebooklet, giving it a professional and cohesive finish. Adding a theme helps strengthen both the awareness and attention stages of the reader's journey. A polished, visually consistent design immediately grabs your reader's attention and keeps them focused, making it easier to navigate and absorb your content. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other videos for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.